Hello everyone. Welcome back to the beginner photography class. 7 ways to take good pictures of flowers. Part 2. Today's it is a good way to take pictures of spring flowers that are attractive. Let me introduce you to how to take good pictures of spring flowers that you can take not only flowers, but also your family, lovers, and friends. Great spring flowers photography. The energy of spring is passed on to people, so you can enjoy while looking at the flowers, and let's take a look at the beautiful spring scenery with a smartphone and camera. Plan outing with your camera and head out to the gorgeous spring flowers. I share with you the know-how of taking good flower photos, and how to take great photos while enjoying spring flowers. How to take good pictures of spring flowers. Part 2. 1. Take a close-up of flowers. 2. Flower shoot with a background. 3. Take advantage of the beauty. 4. Include a person in the flower. 5. Take pictures at sunrise and sunset times. 6. Backlit or front photography. 7. Try multiple exposures. One. Close up the flower. This is a shooting method that captures spring flowers full of flowers, on the entire screen. If it's early spring and spring flowers aren't in full bloom, you can create a different feeling with a close-up photo like this. Capture beautiful parts of spring flowers that you couldn't see from a distance, such as petals, pistils, and stamens, with a close-up technique that creates a mysterious atmosphere. Two. Flower shoot with a background. Flowers are important, but also take care of the background. The most important thing for the spring flower outing is the flower. One way to take a good picture is to think about what makes the flower stand out before taking a picture. Most spring flowers are white, yellow, and pink in color, so if you take a picture against a blue sky, or green grass that can make the flowers stand out, you will be able to emphasize the bright colors of spring flowers. In addition, morning dew, or raindrops and flying butterflies and honeybees can also be good materials. 3. Take advantage of the beauty of the space. Photography is said to simplify art. Since it's going out to take pictures of spring flowers, it's important to check if there are any distracting elements when viewing flowers with your camera before taking pictures, to make the flowers stand out. Move the camera back and forth horizontally and vertically. Please take a spring flower photo. Four. Include a person in the flower. Get away from boring photos. It is also a good idea to take pictures of flowers and people together. Take beautiful photos of your loved ones and unforgettable memories in the flower garden. Select the background of the flowers in full bloom, focus on the person, and use the appropriate out-of-focus technique to blur the background to capture a great photo. Five, take pictures at sunrise and sunset times. Flower photography is a bit tricky to capture the exposure. Tips to get around this is if the difference in contrast at midday taken in the early morning or late afternoon, less than a stark contrast zone, can contain a better picture of spring flowers. If you take according to the sunrise and sunset times, will be able to produce a more dramatic and dreamy atmosphere. Six, backlit or front photography. It is standard to shoot the sun with your back, but you can take interesting pictures by using light emission from the sun and from the front. Seven, try multiple exposures. In a photo, multiple exposures overlap two or more exposures to create a single image, and double exposures represent two images. The exposure values may or may not be the same. This function can also be expressed as a correction after taking the picture, if necessary, although not included in all devices. What kind of cameras have multiple exposures? Most Canon EOS series and some of middle-range Nikon cameras have a dedicated multiple exposure function in the shooting menu, allowing you to automatically combine 2 to 9 different exposures in one image. This is a sample of multiple exposures process. Combines two images into one image. Edited by Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom Classic. Some people may think that photography is easy. However, the picture shows us an accurate and honest result. If you want to take your photography skills up to the next level, I encourage you to attend community college photography group classes, or college classes. to learn systematically based on the pictures, and the camera will be more capable. Take care, be safe, and remember, today is a story where novice photographers 7 ways to take good pictures of flowers. Part 2. I hope this information is helpful to you. I'm going to briefly explain how to practice as easy as possible. However, if you understand this, it doesn't seem that difficult to shoot with a camera. In the next video, I will show you some more informative aspects of photography.